Welcome back, guys. CryptoFly channel. Today we'll talk about a SEI USDT trading pair with my customer set updates. And guys, you will be shocked how the algorithm works. Let's dive in. I mark two arrows here, and you will be shocked because you remember. Here, let's zoom out. This is the same model, the same chart after listing on Binance since August 2023. We use the same model, so initiation, accumulation, pump model. And you'll be impressed because after the 2 years, we landed exactly to the same FIB, to 0.5 level by FIB, we touch it till penny. This is one more great example, one more great confirmation. So everything what you see on the chart, it's not random. If, only if, the token is controlled by market makers and centralized exchanges. I mean, if the token is with normal liquidity, right? So, and traded on major exchanges, because, for example, if we talk about a MIRO token, like example, on one single exchange like HTX, there's just random candles, even with the gaps on 5-minute time frame. It's showing us there is no market maker, there is no liquidity, there is no soft, no bots. Here, everything planned before. Now, we saw the news about the company of Donald Trump, Accumulation SEI. I didn't find out the transactions on Arkham. Maybe you can write in the comments and find me the source or confirmations, but I saw the news. So they accumulated the SEI. For what purpose? One and only purpose, to make a profit at the end. So they don't care about the SEI, SUI, and all of that stuff. Even I guess they don't care about Ethereum. So they just speculate. They're a businessman, guys. You have to understand. They're not tech guys. The Trump is not tech guy. He not support the crypto at all, like a blockchain, like technology. Maybe he can support the AI sector, because it's the AI we can use in real life, right? But nobody care about the SEI, for example, or Ethereum at the end, like technology. Nobody cares. Take a look, guys, the FIB. If you track at my previous videos about a SEI, SUI, and million, I guess, videos about the tokens after listing with initiation, accumulation, pump model, you remember the targets. Take a look. Let's go to the daily time frame. You remember we used the initiation, accumulation, pump model after listing. Here is we got that time I count the with a weak candle, this one. So we touch it at this 86 level FIB. This one, and after that we landed to 0.5. Here we can adjust the FIB with the body candle close. Let's hide it. This one, and we tested 0.5. Now 27, 0 level. So all levels basically relevant. So we can hide that FIB. I guess this already playing out, and we can move on next. Let's go back to, let's go back to the monthly time frame. Do you think this is the end of cycle for SUI? I don't think so. Why? Because first of all, we didn't see the main move on BTC dominance, because we can't, of course, in theory, we can stop at 60% on BTC dominance and trade in this 50% range on BTC dominance, for example, in theory, 2 years. 2-3 years, maybe the BTC will be less volatile, like S&P 500. In theory, it's possible, because it's just an old pattern. So the liquidity from BTC should inflow into altcoins. Maybe not. Maybe now the big players just cash out into stablecoins, and we will track the USDT dominance and BTC dominance. USDT, BTC dominance. That's why, guys, unfortunately, we can't know the market maker's plan. Globally, or also here, we can form the double bottom. Basically, yes, but I don't think so. This is it. So you can find as much as possible patterns, as much as possible confirmations. I like work with favorable gaps and liquidity pools. Take a look. We got a monthly gap. This one. So pure gap. We touch it till penny 0.5 level by FIB. Why we touch it exactly here? Because it's 50%, so it's more than enough correction for fair value gap on a monthly time frame. Done, period. Let's go back to the weekly time frame. Weekly time frame, we formed the full fill of the monthly gap here, on a weekly gap here. Full fill, even lower. Done. So weekly gap on say done, traded, all that zone, fill it. A monthly gap, fill at 50%. Can we drop to the full fill of monthly time frame? Yes, of course. It's 12 cents, 46. Is this comfortable price for you to buy now? Of course, you can buy even now. So it's only up to you, guys. It's only up to you. Accumulate or not. So sooner or later, take a look. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 months in a row. Down. 1, 2, 3 months up. Close over than 50% of this downtrend. 1, 2, 3, 4 months down. Probably the next 2 months we can go to 48 cents. What we can do in this case? For example, the safety trade. If the condition, if we'll see the April, May bullish one, and you've scary enough, you're not sure about the cycle, you need the money, but you already took a risk in, say, for example, you enter at let's say 20 cents, right? So now you're in tiny losses. At 40 cents, this area, you just withdraw the initial deposit and leave free tokens. Free tokens you leave for the next potential upside move and the new all-time high. Is it possible to hit the new all-time high? Yes, of course it's possible. I believe this is not an end of cycle, right? Maybe this cycle will be extended till zone 24. It's zone 26. And maybe we can't know, guys. We can't know in a moment. But for example, we get like impulse, correction, and it can be another impulse. So it's hard to say, guys, exactly where we're gonna stop, right? Because for example, if we use the impulse from this low to this stop, we under 86 low by fee, right? So it's hard to say where exactly we should stop. Nobody knows, but definitely what I can see on the chart, there is no monthly gaps, but here, this liquidity pool and this liquidity pool. So sooner or later, the market makers will hunt that liquidity pools because they just need a profit. And if they can just push the price, for example, 300% and 500%, why they will not pump? Why? So what's the point? Why market can't move always down and market can't move always up. That's why, guys, build the two main liquidity pool and keep in mind that pools like a fixation profit zone, first trouble area. And if we talk about a spot, of course, you can accumulate now and mark the zones. I fix here 25%, I fix here 30%, I fix here the 50%, and I'm out. Just for example, just build a plan, build a strategy. Don't chase the all-time high, catching that top on a 1 hour time frame. No, just try to finish this run in profit. Because a lot of people, guys, who chase the top of the top in zone 21 stuck at the tokens for the next 3 years. So that's it. So basically all gaps I showed you, all targets I showed you. Let's check with my customer Kasab what's going on now with, say, now in accumulation zone. So it's good. So if you feel the 19 cents 79 is comfortable price for you for accumulation, you can accumulate it. Here's this capitulation zone. So we never seen the capitulation zone, only here, January, here, March. So sooner or later, guys, we're gonna bounce. Believe it or not, at least it can be the bounce like this one. So we traded in the middle and we bounced. Now we trade in accumulation. The worst case scenario, of course, it's a divergence on a weekly, but the best case scenario, it's a pump and continuation to new all-time high. This is not a time to sell SUI on direction, not a time to sell on the ADZ, not a time to sell on the market mood. There is no A3 and nothing. This is a fear. This is a capitulation. So guys, now a lot of factors is bullish one. Money power trade on. Here, money inflow 1, 2. We pump it from 24 cents, pump it to 73. Nice pump. Here's the money outflow. The same story. 1, 2. Money inflow just low of 24.18 cents, and now we traded at 17. We can pump again. How high we will pump? Nobody knows. But safety trade, 100% profit, withdraw initial deposit, move on. Pretty simple, guys. Don't build so complicated charts. Don't build so complicated strategies. take profit. Weekly time frame, unfortunately, no data. Daily. Daily one, guys, we traded, tested fundamental value, almost tested fundamental value on the daily again. So fundamental value is 16.16, buy line 21.79, take profit 43.8, exit line 48.59. So I showed you the exact numbers, not a random one. Here, I wish to see that drop to buy line again. It's 16.28. Probably we can see this next week. Maybe not. We can't know. That's why you have to take make a decision, for you. This was a great entry. Great entry because we got a reason. On 12 time frame, we dump it and test it from the wall of the token. We pump it 54%, so you could fix a profit. Take profit now, it's on 12 time frame, 32.37, exit line 36.58. All targets, guys, I showed you. I believe in new all-time high for SEI, and I don't think so. This was the end of cycle like $1.14. No, definitely not. So guys, I hope you like this video. Write us in a comment what you think about SEI. If you'd like to trade with my customer SEI or showed in this video, just write me DM. Subscribe channel, hit the like button, hit the notification button. Don't forget join my Telegram channel. See you next time, guys.